Hello, it's Attorney Mike Graven coming to you from Chicago. As usual, we've got an exciting new SovCit. Thank you, Zach, who's absolutely on fire. He was putting together a stream for the other channel, Law Talk with Mike. I will probably do that in a little bit. But then he finds this nugget in front of Judge Brantley Clark, I believe. I haven't even seen it yet. I like to just experience these together. I really do. I'm freezing my behind off here like the rest of the country. And now my background, which is Teotihuacan, Mexico, is taunting me. Because when I was there, it was beautiful, warm, and sunny. But here we go. I don't know what's happening, but I'm thinking we might have some of this.
Do I have at least two witnesses that they are committing treason? This is treason. They're violating my rights.
I want to dumber down the ticket. Like I want to fight that.
In the jury box, I believe, is Charles Smith, who's a self-rep at this time.
All right, Mr. Smith, come on forward. If you're before the court today for your arraignment, information has been filed. You did not ask for the public defender at first appearance. You've been charged by information with aggravated assault, deadly weapon, third-degree felony.
I'm excited already. I haven't seen this. This judge suffers no fools, none. It's got to be fun.
Improper exhibition of a dangerous weapons or firearm, which is a first-degree misdemeanor. The information has been filed. Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you going to hire an attorney?
No, sir. I'm an attendant at law. My law license is 4.681 out of California through Villanova State.
Say that again.
I'm an attendant at law. I'm an esqualese out of California.
A what?
Esqualese. I'm a judge digit 0.168199 of federal enclosement 3.
A what? A teaching at law? I don't know what this is. But it's about to go sideways.
0.6872 of Missouri State, Ohio.
That don't mean anything to me. Explain to me what you are.
I'm a personal representative of the state of Florida for myself.
Oh, no, you're not going to do that.
I've been charged as a minor defendant with a juvenile parent who's deceased. I have the enclosements here.
You got it.
Yes, sir. They charged me with no evidence.
Ooh, you're not going to do that.
It's even marked in the legislation.
If you want to represent yourself, I'm about to swear you in. You're going to have to answer some questions.
Yes, sir.
Madam Clerk, please swear in the defendant.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, state your name.
My name is Charles Adam Smith of Mobile, Alabama, the 18th.
Okay. The 18, what does that mean?
That was how my grandfather was born in Mobile, Alabama. My mother was of the 18th. It's the bloodline.
Okay. And
Judge goes, okay.
you've been charged with a aggravated assault, which is a third-degree felony, punished with 5 years in prison, and a first-degree misdemeanor improper exhibition of a dangerous weapon, which is a first-degree misdemeanor, punished with 1 year in the county jail and a $1,000 fine. You're asking to represent yourself. Mr. Smith, how far did you get in school?
I went all the way to a teaching of law. That's a 0.968 of California through Villanova State and Ohio State, all the way.
He went all the way to the crash site.
To Mongolia, Ostavila, out of Italy.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
I'm a carpenter and a businessman.
All right. And so you can read and write.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today, which would impair your ability to enter this agreement and understand the terms and conditions of it?
There should not be any agreement today. I should be released to the United States Marshal. I am Captain Charles Adam Smith, badge number 69H2.
I'm not releasing you. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol today?
No, sir.
Impair your ability to make the decision whether to represent yourself?
No, sir, I'm not.
Yeah, I should be released. Judge's response. Here's the deal. I'm not releasing you. Like I've already made that determination. and this crazy, it's not helping.
Not impaired.
Okay. And have you ever been diagnosed with a mental illness?
I've been diagnosed as mentally unstable. I'm emotionally handicapped, EH 5.683.
Okay.
Is
that impair your ability to make this decision to represent yourself?
No, sir, it does not.
Yeah, you see, we think it does.
All right, and you understand that attorneys are trained in the rules of ethics, criminal procedure, and the law. They're there to assist you in preparing for pretrial motions, and trial. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you represent yourself, you'll be held to that same standard.
Yes, sir.
You still wish to represent yourself?
I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Or do you understand if, at any point in time, if I find you're competent to represent yourself, and you ask for an attorney, one can be appointed to represent you?
I do understand those acknowledgements, sir, and the labelizations of purity.
All right. And do you wish to, see if you got a copy of the information?
I do.
The information of the state?
And yes, sir.
The information of state file charging you with these 2
Yes, sir.
charges?
They sent 4 affidavits of warrant.
I'm not talking about an affidavit, I'm talking about the information.
Yes, sir. They have no witness statement at all. It's even marked in the labelizations. That says a clause that says that you are hereby.
You'll print out information to Mr. Smith. I'm gonna have the
Stop
clerk print you out a information, and then I'm gonna ask you to enter a plea.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, sir, do you have that information?
This information is wrong. The labelization is wrong. I do not have any affidavits of any.
Do you, that's the information the state has filed. There's 3 pleas you can enter: guilty, not guilty, or no contest.
I enter the plea of not guilty on the pursuance clause 44-18 of California, Villanova,
I'm gonna
168.
strike all that you put on the record except not guilty.
Yes,
That'll be
sir.
struck from the record. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find you're competent to represent yourself. We're gonna set this for February 20th at 9 o'clock for a pretrial. Good luck, Mr. Smith.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, you have a great day.
Well, that was just spectacular. He dropped, I still don't understand, but he was trying to say he's somehow an attorney in teaching out of California. He's from Alabama. There's Missouri in there. He names 5 or 6 states, none of which are relevant. Then he cites another state's law. And then states that the information is not correct. The fact that the information, saying the information is not correct is simply, the best way to do that is to plead not guilty. That's basically the starting point of every criminal defendant that's defending themselves. And that's how you do it. Oh, good Lord. That was fun. Okay. I got a fun one, I think, from Zach. Thank you. It's unrelated to this. And this is why it's fun to have 2 channels. I'm like, all right, Zach just dumps good material on me that's unrelated. I don't want to cram it together. So I just do one here and do one there. Took me a while, but I got there. But that's what we got. Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. We love the sport over here in Vlog Talk with Mike, where there's plenty of parking. Most people don't know about this one. And I do think I'm going to be putting in another stream and doing it pretty quick on the other channel. Thanks for coming out. See you soon.